Assalamu alaikum parents. I am here again with another video about Math Splash. Many parents are asking me how to use it. It's very simple. Just write down Math Splash and then press enter. After that you will be having sign in option. Go for sign in option. Alright. When you will click sign in, you will see three options here: class, home, and teacher and parent. Once you will click on teacher and parent, then it will ask you to pay me. So we have not to pay, just go for class. Right here it says that write down code. Now what is the code or key? You will go to my Smart Classroom blog. You will click any class which is your. For example, I am going for grade 1. Alright, when I will click grade 1, so I will find a 7-digit code here. Look at here. Alright, so this is my code. I will write down this code in Math Splash login ID. Right, so after that I will be having many students on my board. Remember parents, the code will remain same. Alright, for all grade 1 student the class code will be same. Right, for example, suppose my son name is Ryan, so I am clicking Ryan. Then it will ask me to enter the password. So how will I enter the password? I have sent you an email. You will pick your password from the email and you will type here. For example, the password of Ryan is pencil 4, right? So I will write down pencil 4 and will press enter. It will take me to the Ryan dashboard. So Ryan has assignments and he has curriculum tab and list to do tab. Whatever you want to do, go for curriculum tab and check it which is in your syllabus or in your curriculum and do it one by one. The Math Splash games are very interactive. Students love to do it. So please go for it and enjoy with your kids, and do inform me, do give me feedback time to time. One more thing that many parents were saying, it asked me to subscribe or to pay. Just don't pay it. I have given you code ID, use it. Once they will ask you subscribe, then we will not use this software. Alright, hope you enjoy this video and you will guide properly to your children. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.